Hey guys, okay, so this video is really impromptu. I didn't plan on doing this review right now, but I just had to come and tell you guys my first impression on this deep conditioner. Like, usually I like to give it a while, but I'm seeing like instant results. So I just thought I would share it with you guys right now. So I just took my twists out this morning. I washed it, normal shampoo, whatever, and I used the Briogeo-Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask that I told you guys I received from Influenster. Oh my god. I don't even know how much it's cost. I'm hoping it's not too expensive because I definitely will be repurchasing this. It has a like light smell to it. Kind of like what you might get at a salon or something. It smells good. Haven't used that much of the product. Yeah, so I have several more uses out of it, but oh my god. So I just put it on there, put on my deep conditioning cap. Maybe that has something to do with it too, but my hair feels super soft. I haven't detangled it yet, and look. Mind you, I said I had my mini twist ends. I just took them out and they were in for 2 weeks. I just kind of fingered, like separated things to get shed hairs out, but I haven't detangled. Oh my gosh. My curls are super defined. If you can see them. Hopefully you can. My curls are super defined. I'm almost tempted to do a wash and go, but no. Because I normally have to detangle in the shower and all that crap, so haven't done any detangling or anything. Wow, look at that. Look how defined my little curls are. And I have kinkier hair, so in some places it's a kinkier texture, but even those have some definition, so yeah. And as you can see, my hair is not a hot mess, like tangly and stuff. I'm literally just, I have not combed anything. I just let this sit for a little while. Wow. No, this isn't sponsored. Like I said, I got it from Influencer, so I did not pay for it, but I'm not paid to review this product like from the company. But oh my gosh. These results. I am about to go straight to their website to look them up to see how much their stuff costs, because I need more of this in my life. This is going to be a new fave, I can already tell. This is only my first time using it, like I said. And my hair is soft. It does have some slip to it, but I didn't detangle it with it just because I thought it would be... Oops. I didn't detangle with it because I thought it would be a mess trying to detangle with it, because it is a repairing deep conditioner, but I thought wrong. Oh my gosh. This stuff is awesome. So yeah, it was definitely a hit, and I can't wait to keep using it. I'm going to be sad when it's gone. So let me go look it up. And like I said, this is the conditioning mask, the Don't Despair Repair. And I'm loving it. Like, it's awesome. Hopefully that's not backwards in the camera. But that's what it looks like. And it is an 8-ounce jar. So yeah, if you were thinking about using their products, I definitely recommend it, because I am excited. If my hair wasn't as kinky of a texture, I would definitely do a wash and go right now, but I don't feel like dealing with detangling it later, so I'm just gonna put it in some twists for a twist out. So yeah, sorry for my random video. I'm not all put together. I just got out the shower and rinsed my hair out, but I just had to come and show you. So yeah, if you enjoy random videos and my hair videos, of course, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Check out that deep conditioner if you haven't. Maybe they have samples. I want to see what other products they have in their line. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos. And thanks for watching.